Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 1 of exercise 11.1. What question number 1 is stating, students, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 and 300 respectively. क्वेश्चन कहता है कि एक रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड है जिसकी लंबाई और चौड़ाई जो है वो 500 और 300 दी हुई है। ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन कहता है कि फाइंड इट्स एरिया। पहले क्या करना है, उस रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड की एरिया निकालनी है हमें। एंड देन क्वेश्चन कहता है कि फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ लैंड, उस ज़मीन की, उस लैंड की कीमत निकालनी है। इफ़ 1 मीटर स्क्वेयर ऑफ द लैंड कॉस्ट इज़ ₹10,000 रुपीज़। उस लैंड की पूरी कीमत निकालनी है अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वेयर ज़मीन की कीमत 10,000 रुपया है तो। ठीक है, सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स। सी लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द क्वेश्चन हैज़ बीन गिवन, सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल to calculate its area. Just we will apply the formula, we will put the values and then we will do the calculation. Okay, so here I am going to start the solution students. So starting from solution, then we will write here given data. What are given data students? See here given data are length given how much, denoted by a small l 500 meter, breadth denoted by a small b given how much students, 300 meter. And then cost is also given na, cost of 1 meter square land is equal to rupees how much given students, 10,000, right? Now what to calculate area? So by formula, here we will write by formula area is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth. Now put the value. L is equal to, we are having 500, so 500 instead of writing L, into sign as it is, and instead of writing B or breadth we will write 300 because it is the given value. Okay, now here we are having 500 into 300, so this calculation will be done very easily. We will multiply the digits, okay, and then followed by the number of zeros. Okay, so 5 3s are, we will have 15 followed by 4 zeros. Okay, so it will be somewhat 1,50,000 and the unit of this area will be meter square, as I have already told you, as I have already described to you in the introduction video, that whenever area is calculated it is meter square. Okay, so here meter was the unit of length and breadth, so area unit will be meter square. So this is your area student. How much is the area of that rectangular piece of land? It is 1,50,000 meter square. Now we have to calculate the cost. So students, I have told you in my introduction video also, okay, if the cost of anything is given per meter square, then you have to consider that it is area that we have to calculate. So area we have already calculated. तो ये कहता है 1 मीटर स्क्वायर लैंड की कीमत कितनी है, 10,000 रुपये. सो हाउ मच विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ लैंड which is 1,50,000 meter square. So simply if we will multiply the total area by cost of 1 meter square land students, then we will get the cost of total land or piece of land. Okay, so here I am going to multiply. Since the, here we will write, since the cost of 1 meter square land is equal to how much students, ₹10,000. Therefore the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to how much students, 10,000 will be equal to ₹10,000 multiplied by 1,50,000. Okay, now if you will multiply, then 15 1 ja, you will get 15 and followed by how many zeros, here 4 zeros and here 4 zeros, means 8 zeros. This one will be the unit of this will be rupees, as we are finding out the amount. Okay, so this one will be the cost of the total land when the cost of 1 meter square land is given as 10,000 rupees. So if you will simply multiply with the total area of the land, then you will get the total cost of the land. So this was your question number 1, students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.